One essential online tool for any business is a work management platform. Think about all the different moving parts within your organization, like managing projects, tasks, sales, and other dynamic processes. Well, shifting all these activities into a visual and easy-to-use work management platform will streamline day-to-day operations and systems, as well as maximize your team's productivity. Now, there are two platforms that I believe will lead the market this year, especially for small businesses, and these are Monday.com and a newcomer called SmartSuite. Hey guys, Stewart here, welcome along to this channel. I hope you're all having a productive day. Now today, I'm excited to compare two impressive work management tools called Monday and SmartSuite by breaking down and helping you identify the best work management solution for your small business requirements. Okay, so before we go ahead and launch into this comparative guide, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that happy note out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into Monday versus SmartSuite. Okay, so first of all, I just want to say a big thank you to SmartSuite for sponsoring this video. I always keep an eye out for awesome new tools and disruptive technologies, and when SmartSuite slid across my desk, I had to take a good look into what all the fuss was about. Turns out SmartSuite only hit the market in 2022, but hit the ground running. They came to the market with a fully disruptive work management platform that directly challenges popular players like Asana, Basecamp, ClickUp, Airtable, and of course Monday. So after diving headfirst into SmartSuite, I decided to compare one of our favorite tools on the market, Monday, which has been around since 2012, versus the newcomer SmartSuite. Now, before we dive in, I just want to mention at the end of this video, if you're ready to get started with either Monday or SmartSuite, they do offer free trials. And what I'll do is link both these platforms down below in the description for you to get started when you're ready. Okay, so launching right in, let's identify the best work and project management solution for your small business. To help us answer this question, we first need to take a look at the overall experience for users between Monday and SmartSuite. Basically, we want to look at the ease of use, the adoption tendencies, visual experience, and overall structure when it comes to managing specific processes. Both Monday and SmartSuite are dedicated to make work easier. They are complete work management systems. If we first navigate over to Monday's homepage, you can see how colorful and visually engaging this interface is. We have our recently visited projects also labeled as boards that we can quickly access, and other customizable sections. Over on the left, we can jump between workspaces and projects, view real-time notifications related to your work. Below this, we have the inbox, which gives you updates about projects that you're following. I personally find that the inbox and notifications can get quite messy due to duplicate information. And under My Work, this is where you can simply manage all the tasks that are assigned to you. Further down, you can quickly access internal, external, paid, and free apps that can be simply added to your account to streamline work processes. Below this, we can invite team members, search for anything across our account, and then we also have our account and profile settings. If we take a look at SmartSuite's homepage, we have a fresh interface made up of all your projects, also called solutions. You can also create a new solution directly from this area. Above your favorite section of Start Projects, directly at the top, we can customize the theme color as well as the branding and simply switch between workspaces with ease. Above this, we can access our profile and account settings. To the left, you can view all notifications that need your attention, and something I find handy is the My Work function. This allows you to manage tasks or records that are assigned to you. Here you can even quickly create tasks associated to specific solutions assigned to you or others. These can also be personal tasks that are not linked to any project. Next to My Work, we have Start Items and also the Members directory, where you can manage and invite team members as well as create teams. You have full control over your team directly from your homepage. Now, from this initial homepage comparison, you can see both platforms have a clear and visually engaging user experience. Monday typically takes the lead in this regard when compared to other work management tools. However, in this case, SmartSuite, in my opinion, has actually pushed ahead of Monday. SmartSuite's general interface looks cleaner and somehow offers more for less in terms of what capabilities you have access to just from the homepage, like the ability to create projects, customize the theme and branding, create and manage dynamic tasks, and you have more control over members and teams without leaving the homepage and accessing a project to manage your teams. Monday does not offer many of these functions from the homepage. Okay, let's move on to the nitty-gritty of actually managing your work and the ease of use or adoption tendencies for your teams. Let's first take a look at Monday's work management structure. Here you can see we are on the workspace level. This can be your personal workspace, a department in your business, or even other businesses that you manage. Typically, for small businesses, you only need to work inside one workspace. Now, within your workspace, we have folders used to manage project types. Then we have projects called boards inside Monday. Then groups that are used to manage tasks and subtasks, which are labeled as items and sub-items inside Monday. And of course, you have access to customizable column types for specific task data. You can simply manage your processes details from this project interface and jump between your different projects from the folder and board level over on the left-hand side. Now, if we jump over to SmartSuite, they have a workspace level similar to Monday, and this is where you can manage all your multiple projects or processes labeled as solutions. Then within your solutions, we have apps, which are the different project types or collaboration of items. Within apps, we have records, which are distinct items and also sub-items. Then you have highly customizable fields. From a structure point of view, it's easier, in my opinion, for complete beginners to adopt Monday's project and task management structure, mainly because of the clear-cut groups that make it simple to define project stages. I also like that you can access all your projects and different processes from one interface over on the left-hand side. Also, the categorization and organization of tasks flows easier with Monday. This makes the adoption of this platform smoother for beginners. However, because SmartSuite is more of a database-driven work management platform, it does have a slightly steeper learning curve. In saying that, once you spend just a little time with SmartSuite, you'll be blown away by the flexibility and capabilities for managing your data. For example, if we navigate up to group within a app, so a specific project, we actually have complete control over the grouping structure of our records based on the different field types. If I click on status for the grouping type, you can see that my records or tasks are now grouped into a clear workflow. And if a status changes from, let's say, backlog to complete, then that record will automatically shift into the complete group. This means you do not have to worry about setting up automations like you would have to do inside Monday. SmartSuite also allows you to add multiple group types based on your fields to seamlessly jump between the different grouping types. This is incredibly useful. So from a user experience position, Monday is more appropriate for small businesses that have non-tech savvy teams and are looking for a quick team adoption. However, for dynamic small businesses that are after simplicity and flexibility in a work management platform, then SmartSuite hands down is the way to go. But hold on, we don't stop here. Now we need to compare the core features that set these two platforms apart. Okay, so let's take a deep dive into a feature comparison between both platforms. First, let's take a look at the field types and the customizations and capabilities for records and tasks. If we jump into a Monday board, you can add a new column or field type here. Quickly select the specific field type you are after or search for others down here. These field types are easy to use, and I like how Monday offers combo field types like status plus date. Although Monday has limited permission control at the field level, which can be frustrating when you want to limit who can view or manage specific columns or fields. Monday also has limited customization to field formats and the settings. If we compare field types and capabilities with SmartSuite, you have over 40 fully customizable fields with new field types being added often. You can customize the format, style, and settings based on your project requirements. SmartSuite have done a great job with offering this detailed level of customization. Also, you have high-level permission control right down to who can access specific field types within a record. You can manage exactly who can and can't access each area of your projects. This is ideal for growing teams, large teams, or businesses with a large client base. Now, if we take a step back and look at the macro permission control with members, teams, and external users like clients, SmartSuite completely outdoes Monday. With SmartSuite, you have access to your member directory on every page interface. And at the solution level, you can choose to give full access to all members, only specific teams, or you have more permission flexibility with advanced permissions. Here you can choose a member or team and give specific access based on these 6 permission levels: full access, editor, contributor, assignee, commenter, or viewer only. Not only do you have control at the solution level, but also at the app level, field level, and record level. I also love how SmartSuite makes it simple to quickly share a link to anyone to view an app or solution. This is great for quickly sharing viewable projects with clients or other external parties. Monday, on the other hand, falls short when it comes to permissions and control. One thing that annoys myself and clients is the ambiguous nature of knowing exactly who has access to what inside our Monday account. And Monday simply does not have the extensive permission level control compared with SmartSuite. Now, in terms of sharing boards with external users inside Monday, it's a bit more complex and confusing. You can make your boards shareable, then invite guests via email and they need to subscribe in order to access your projects, or you can share links to specific board types. For me, I prefer the efficient link sharing option that SmartSuite offers. Okay, so what about the linking capabilities between SmartSuite and Monday? Well, both platforms offer linking between assets. For example, Monday allows you to connect boards for data sharing across workspaces and boards. Simply choose the Connect Boards within the column and then select Workspace and then the board that you want to connect. And away you go. With SmartSuite, just add a new field and select Link Records, choose the display type, and select the solution and app you want to connect with. And then select the different records that you want to connect. From my point of view, Monday offers more clear and advanced linking capabilities for now. Okay, so moving on to view options. Both platforms offer extensive viewing layouts for viewing and analyzing your information. Both tools give you many options to visualize your data. There is no clear winner, and this just comes down to your personal preferences. Although in saying that, SmartSuite offers all viewing types within even their free plan. On the other hand, Monday's first 2 premium plans offer limited viewing and reporting types. So for most small businesses, SmartSuite is more suitable. Now, in terms of viewing and managing information at the task or record level, SmartSuite has improved on the area that I have always disliked within Monday's system. Basically, within Monday, once you add a new item and expand the item, you then must work your way through the default tabs up above. And after you have uploaded an item or task, you then inefficiently must work your way through each column to update the data accordingly. This is a hassle and just plain time consuming when managing, adding and updating tasks. SmartSuite, on the other hand, leads by example. Simply add a new record and on this one page, this single page layout, you have access to all of the record information. You also have control over the page layout based on your personal preferences. SmartSuite's layout improvement makes managing your workflow much easier and with less room for error. Okay, now shifting over to automations, again, both platforms offer no-code automation capabilities to simply set up custom automations. Monday offers dozens upon dozens of pre-made automations that are nicely categorized based on your automation needs. Monday also allows you to easily create automations from scratch. The simple layout makes it easy for absolutely anyone to create automations. If we compare automations in Monday with SmartSuite, the automation capabilities are more primitive inside SmartSuite, although these are still easy to set up, similar to Monday. Unfortunately, SmartSuite does currently lack automation templates, which myself and our clients have found invaluable within Monday. SmartSuite does offer the ease of integration with apps into your automation sequences, and they have many other automations and integrations being rolled out as we speak. Now, even though SmartSuite lacks automation templates, they still give access to this essential feature across all their plans, including the free plan. Comparing this with Monday, you do have to have a premium plan, and each premium plan does have a quota for how many automations you can have running each month. Now, if we take a quick look at app integrations offered by each platform, Monday offers more internal app and external app integrations, which is no surprise considering they've been around for a lot longer compared to SmartSuite. Although SmartSuite uses Zapier as a third-party integration to allow them to connect over 5,000 apps. It's important to note that yes, SmartSuite has hit the market with a complete product, but they are also adding new tools, features, and integrations often. If you're interested, what I'll do is add a link down below that will take you to SmartSuite's roadmap, and you can keep an eye on all their new features that they'll be launching soon. Okay, so now I just want to take some time to discuss the pricing between Monday and SmartSuite. Now, the pricing model is similar between both platforms, however, there are a few obvious differences. First, the free plan in SmartSuite is one of, if not the best on the market. They offer up to 3 users, Monday offers 2, 5 solutions, Monday offers 3, and essentially SmartSuite lets you access every feature that they have to offer within even the free plan. You will just notice quota limitations like records per app and file storage. Monday, on the other hand, limits most of the features in the free plan, and each paid plan also has limitations, meaning you and your team have to pay more to access more features. Secondly, anyone can access the enterprise plan in SmartSuite. There is no minimum users. They are incredibly transparent and do not try to upsell or negotiate with larger teams. Unlike Monday, as a small business, you cannot access every feature unless you are a larger organization negotiating for the enterprise plan. I think this is awesome that SmartSuite offers all features across all plans, meaning small businesses can access all the features no matter what plan they decide to use. Okay, so that brings us back to the question, what is the best work and project management platform for your small business? Well, usually this is quite a challenging question to answer when comparing with similar platforms. In my opinion, and for most small businesses, I would now lean towards SmartSuite. And there are a handful of reasons for this. The ability for small teams to leverage every feature offering across all plans, including the free plan, which is sufficient enough for micro businesses under 3 employees, also due to the general navigation and ease of use. Now, it might take a little longer for teams to adopt SmartSuite compared to Monday, but in the long run, it will pay off for small teams. SmartSuite's flexibility for customization in terms of field types and the extensive permission control at the different levels makes SmartSuite a fitting option for dynamic and growing teams. SmartSuite is product first with over 100 engineers and around only 10 salespeople, so you know that your processes and data are in good hands. However, for large teams, I still think Monday might be the better option, and I can talk more about this in another video. But for the majority of small businesses, SmartSuite is a work management solution that you should consider when looking for a platform like this to manage your day-to-day operations, processes, and projects. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this Monday vs. SmartSuite comparative guide. Thanks again, SmartSuite, for sponsoring this video. Now, if anyone has any questions, make sure to pop them down below. And if you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.